Hey guys, I'm Holden. I help foreigners navigate life, work, and business in Shanghai. Today we are checking 2 apartments in one of the most expensive areas in Shanghai, Jing'an Temple. That is just some normal street view in Shanghai, near Jing'an Temple. Today's weather is good. We are going to visit some apartments like this. They are in the old community. One rents for 7,000 RMB per month, while the other costs more than 21,000 RMB. They're only a few streets apart, but the difference is huge. So today we are going to ask a simple question. Who can actually afford to live there? Okay, now let's check the apartment. This apartment is an old work-up building. No elevator. But the location is fantastic. In Shanghai, location is always more important than the building itself. They only have the staircase. Okay, this is the first apartment. This one has 2 bedrooms, but this one don't have the living room. Let's take a look. That is the first bedroom. A big window and a wardrobe. Okay, now let's see. Here is the kitchen. We got 2 gas stoves and some cabinet for the kitchen. This is the bathroom. To be honest, this bathroom is big. We have the washing machine, the mirror, the shower, and the toilet. Okay, now let's see the main bedroom. This bedroom is pretty big. The wardrobe, the mattress, and the bed. Let's see the outside, the neighborhood. To be honest, it's quite old. Even though this is an old building, the selling price, this apartment is worth around 6 million RMB. Okay. Some people asked me, what is the average salary in Shanghai? I told them it's about 12,000 RMB per month. And they will say, wow, that is really low compared with the housing price in Shanghai. Honestly, I agree. If you only earn the average salary in Shanghai, it's very difficult to live in the downtown area. Most people with that salary choose to live in the suburbs, while the housing price is much more affordable. Now we are looking something completely different. Okay, this is the entrance, and we are going to the building 6. This is the outside of the building. The rent for this apartment is over 21,000 RMB per month. And the apartment itself is over 12 million RMB. The price is really insane. Okay, this is our second apartment for today. And this is the entrance. Yeah, this place is a shoe cabinet. And some other storage. And now let's check the living room. Oh, here is our first bedroom. It's quite small. It has the central air condition. Yeah, we are on the first floor. Let's keep going. This is the kitchen area. 2 gas stoves. I think that is the oven, the microwave. This is the dishwasher. Wow. And that is the bathroom. Toilet. We have a bathtub here. which is quite unusual in Shanghai, because Chinese people usually only have the shower. Okay, this is a plus point. We have a small garden. I think this is a public area, but the landlord called this is a private yard. Well, I don't think so. But anyway, we have an outdoor space that is good. Okay. Now let's check the living room. A long sofa and a big television. The balcony, we got the washing machine. And that is a huge fridge. Oh. Okay, now let's check the bedroom. Yeah, we have 2 bedrooms here and another bathroom. This bathroom only have the shower, don't have the bathtub. The wardrobe. I think this is the main bedroom because this bedroom is biggest. The wardrobe and the air conditioning. The view for the outside. Okay, what kind of people can actually afford the apartment like this? The answer may be more complicated than we thought. Shanghai isn't just a city for the locals. People from all over China come Shanghai to study, work, start business, and invest. Many successful entrepreneurs, senior executives, business owner, and wealthy family, they will invest the property in Shanghai. So housing price in Shanghai is not only determined by the local salary, they are influenced by the demand from all over the country. It is similar from the city like New York or London, where many buyers aren't originally from the city. And of course, Shanghai is a city with huge contrast. You can also rent an apartment with 2,000 RMB per month. However, if you choose to live in the suburb, there are not so many bars. It will be very hard to have a social life. If you choose to live in the downtown, the price is quite high. You are very close to the city's social life. That is a trade-off. Do you think living in the downtown Shanghai is worth the price? You can tell me in the comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.